This Stevens Real Estate Incorporated property video is presented by Diane Becker. Beautiful, well-maintained home that is move-in ready. This gym offers 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage. Some extra features include an open-concept floor plan living area which includes vaulted living room, dining room and kitchen. Large primary suite with a walk-in closet, jetted tub and walk-in shower. Extra wide hallway and lots of natural light throughout the home. You will love the incredible covered patio which can be accessed from the living area and the main bedroom. For more information, review the details below.